What's going on YouTube? Mr. DCYLP with Direction CYLP Garments. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to heat press on hats. Now today we're going to be pressing up this particular hat right here. This hat is 100% polyester. So I don't know if I want to put a woven patch on this one or if I want to actually put a heat transfer logo on this one. Now this, if you guys can see it, this is a 100% polyester hat too with a woven patch on it, the frosty patch. This particular hat right here is 40% cotton and 60% polyester with a heat transfer logo on it. This hat right here is 100% cotton with a woven patch on it as well, the frosty patch. So we're gonna go in the lab and see what we come up with. Let's go. Okay, now my hat press is kind of old and outdated, but who cares? It gets the job done. I decided to go with a heat transfer logo, you know, because I have a lot of hats with woven patches on them. So here's the hat, blank on the brim, and it's a camper hat. As you can see, I love camper hats. I mean, I like snapbacks as well, but the majority of the time I like to rock a nice camper hat. So we're gonna be putting the heat transfer in this area right here, and I have my hat press set for 188 degrees. So now what we have to do is actually take the heat transfer, put it in place, line everything up with Teflon tape. This is Teflon heat resistant tape if you want to get your logos in place so they won't move when it's time for you to actually press your garment or your hat or whatever. So your particular logo won't move and you won't mess up your hat or your shirt or whatever you decide to press with this thing. So here we go. So here's the transfer logo that we're going to be putting on the actual hat. Let's try to get this in focus. The logo is actually blue, white, and yellow. This transfer I got from FM Expressions. It's an actual transfer that can adhere to polyester and cotton. When you get in your transfers, make sure you know the type of garment that you're looking to use, so you can buy the proper transfer to actually adhere to your garment, whether polyester, nylon, cotton blends. Alright, so all we have to do now is put it in place with the Teflon tape, line everything up, and press it. Okay, so we got our transfer on there locked down with the heat tape. I like to take a sheet of Teflon paper and lay it over the parts of the hat that aren't getting the logo pressed on them, so they don't melt or, you know, get burned. So it's a 12-second application, but I normally don't let it sit or stay clamped down for 12 seconds. The majority of the time I don't even clamp it down all the way. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check it. Let's go a little longer. We'll just clamp it. Check it. Hot deal. Go. We'll just go over it one more time. Make sure everything is as it should be. Piece of Teflon sheet over it. Make sure you don't burn yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. Got yourself a nice hat on polyester, DCYLP. There you go. Now, since we're already in the lab, we might as well make ourselves a shirt to go with the hat we just made. I got a nice yellow 100% pre-shrunk cotton shirt here. Now all I have to do is pick out which transfer I want to go on the shirt and press it up. I'm gonna go with the round DCYLP University logo for my left chest. You may not be able to see it now, but you will in a few. So we got our tray slid in, logo's already in place. All we have to do is clamp it down. Slide out the tray. Hot peel. There it is. Beautiful. And we use the same type of transfer on this shirt as we used on the actual polyester hat. Alright, so this transfer works both ways. Let's get our right sleeve going. Beautiful. Now for this one, I'm gonna use my woven care label. Got my logo on there, 100% cotton material. For all your washing and care instructions, website directionscylp.com. Self-adhesive, so as soon as you press these down, they're gonna be on this garment forever. So we line it up, get in focus. And you know what? With these, I don't even have to lay a protective Teflon sheet over them. Show you that real quick. Same temp, 325 degrees, 7 seconds. See that? The thing isn't going anywhere. What a beauty. As always, thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel up. Until next time, take care.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.